a story. That story name is A Letter to God, and that story writer name is J.R. Funds, and the story is related to a Lancho, and he is very hardworking farmer, and he has a lot of faith to God, and his house is situated in the crest of a low hill, and when he watch we can watch a lot of places there, river and fields, and a lot of places, and when he stand there, then he saw a lot of means his field. He know very well his field, and his field needs a sower. When he always watch on south and means sky, and he don't do anything in whole day. He always watch in sky, and at that time when his wife prepared dinner food, at that time went to his wife, and he said, today's rain has happened. Then his wife said, if God want, then rain has happened. Then it happened, and he has 4 sons, and 2 sons work in field, and 2 sons playing near the house. And when his wife called everyone for dinner, at that time they all take dinner. At that time the crowds are said, and rain is happened heavily, and at that time Lancho thought that it is passed quickly, and but the rain has happened for 1 hour, and that's why his field destroyed by rain, and after some time the hailstone is happened heavily, and his field is destroyed by hailstone. That time when the rain is stopped, at that time Lancho said that the plague of locusts remain much. Then hailstone. If the plague of locusts coming, then they remain a lot of means a lot of weeds that we going on his family by weeds, and he has only a one hope, that to God. That time he going to his house, and he was very upset. He thought that we all dies of hunger. At that time he thought that I write a letter to God. At that time he know how to write the letter, and he write the letter to God, and he write all problems what happened in his life. Then he write that I need 100 pesos. He write that letter, I need 100 pesos, so you give me, otherwise you give. If you don't give me, then my family will dies of hunger. And he go to post office, and he put that letter in mailbox, and when the postmaster opened that letter, then he began to laugh a lot of, and the postmaster is faith, and he thought that no one has that type of faith, and he has a lot of faith. Then we help him, and he help to Lancho, and he collect only 70 pesos. 70 pesos. When he packed that pesos in a package. That after means next day, Lancho come and he asked to if any letter is coming for me. Then postmaster said, yeah, your letter is coming. Then he take it from postmaster hand, and he opened that letter and count the money. Then he was very angry because he want to need 100 pesos, but God sent only 70 pesos. That time he thought, I write again. I write again second letter. Then he write in that letter that God, you send other way, not mail, not a mail, because the post office staff is bunches crocs. At that time, the postmaster opened that letter. He thought that if anyone help any disappointed man, then people thought wrong, and he uh, so that's all.